everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a Rose Shop haul of some K-beauty items that I recently picked up. It's been a little bit since my last order, but I got some new things that I wanted to share with you guys and let you guys see kind of things that are going to be reviewed on my channel coming up soon. So yeah, you guys can let me know if there are certain products you are more interested in, you want to see videos and stuff on, then definitely let me know. But otherwise, let's get started with the haul. Okay, so the first thing I got has something that has been in my cart for a long time and I keep taking out, and every time I'll load my cart up with all the things I want, and then at the end I'll start kind of paring back and figuring out what I don't want or what I'll save for next time. This has always been in that round of cutoffs, but I finally ended up purchasing it this time. This is from Etude House and it's called the Dr. Lash Ampoule. It's supposed to be this eyelash growth serum-y kind of thing. Let me see what I paid for this one. This was $12.50. This might have been the most expensive thing I bought in this haul, but I can't wait to try this out. I definitely want to take really good before pictures and stuff and try to take videos so you can really see does this actually do anything. So this might be something that will take me a little bit of time to kind of really test out, but I definitely plan on making a review video of this when I can. The next two things I got are both from Etude House again. These are called the My Beauty Tool Pencil Sharpener. It's just two little pencil sharpeners. They were 44 cents a piece. I ended up just getting two of them. I don't know if these are any good or not, but I got two of them just so I could have them in multiple places because I'm tired of not having a pencil sharpener when I need it. But it's so cute. It's just a little pencil sharpener like this. It only does the standard small size, but that's okay with me. I don't really ever use those jumbo pencils very much. But yeah, I just got two of those. Hopefully they will be somewhat decent. The next thing I got is another Etude House product. This is called the Glow On Mist Moist Glow. They had two different kinds of this, and how much was this? This was $9.38. I ended up going for this one. It's the little yellow one, but I thought the packaging of this was so cute. It looks like a little light bulb, and it's just it's just kind of like a makeup setting spray, but I thought this was such a cute packaging and I wanted to try this one out. So yeah, hopefully I'll see if this is any good. I'm kind of up to my knees in setting sprays at the moment, which I had not anticipated because whenever I bought this, I was literally running out, and now all of a sudden I have a whole bunch of them that I didn't realize I had. This next thing I got was kind of an accident purchase because I didn't quite realize this, but this is from Missha. This is called the Perfect Eyebrow Styler, and I accidentally bought a refill instead of the a regular one. This was $1.16, but the problem with it was that it doesn't have a lid or anything, and it literally does not have a lid because it's just a refill and they expect you to already have the little plastic components. So yeah, I have this eyebrow styler now that does not have a lid, and to be honest, I'm not a huge fan of Korean eyebrow products at all, so I'm not really sure why I even wanted this in the first place. At least it was only a couple bucks though, but yeah, I kind of messed up on that one. The next two things I got are both from Moly, and I thought these were so cute. So this first thing is called the Pocket Bunny Sleek Mist, and it's so adorable. It looks like a little bunny rabbit, and this is a setting spray. Again, I had bought these two setting sprays, and then I got some in BoxyCharm, I got some from Makeup Revolution, and I found one that I hadn't used up, so I've really got a lot of face mist at the moment, but it's just so cute. It looks like a little rabbit. And it has a really decently fine mist, which I really like. And it has a little bit of a sweet powdery kind of scent to it, but I thought this was so adorable. I just had to get that one. And that one retailed for $4.18. And then the next thing I got is very similar to it. It's that same kind of packaging, it's just a little bit smaller. So if I compare these two, it's so tiny. It's so adorable though. This is called the Pocket Bunny Perfume Bar. And the one I got was Juicy Bunny, and this one retailed for $4.71. And basically this is just a little solid perfume. I thought this was so cute, and it smells so good, so good. So yeah, they had I think 4 different scents of these, and I kind of wanted to get them all just because I like collecting stuff and I love when it's cute like this, but I decided one was enough for me. The next thing I got is from Holika. These are called the Pig Clear Strong Blackhead Spot Pore Strip. So this was a pack of 6, I think, and this was $2.41. I actually ended up getting these because I've kind of gotten my boyfriend into doing pore strips and stuff like that, and I thought this would be a really fun, interesting one to try because it's supposed to be a really strong one. But these I actually think are a little bit different rather than it being just a strip. I think these are actually little patches or something, but it came with 6 of these actual little individual things, but I think there's multiple ones in here maybe. It says forehead, chin, back pimple. Ew, ew. I don't know, but I'll have to try these out sometime and see if they're any good. I really like pore strips, but I find like as far as them getting any like gunk out of my skin or anything, I feel like they're not the best at that for me. But they are really good at like removing all those teeny tiny little hairs on my face and leaving my face super soft. So I like them for that reason at least. Next, I got 2 boxes of this foot peeling mask. I really like doing those. My boyfriend actually bought me a foot peeling mask a couple weeks ago that we did together. And oh my gosh, it's so gross but so satisfying at the same time. And I love them so much. But I ended up getting 2 more of these. I think I've tried these before and I think these were some of my favorite ones. And these were $3.44 a piece. And I did a whole video dedicated to like doing like these foot peel kind of things before, so if you are really gross and you want to kind of see that, then you can definitely check out that video that I did about, was a year ago now? Maybe more. The next thing I got was just like a little one-off lip product. I thought this was so cute, like packaging wise. I thought it was so adorable, but this is from The Face Shop and this is called the Coca-Cola Cotton Lip Tint, and I got the like cherry Coke one. It's so cute. It's like this little baby pink with like the cherry. It's so adorable. I think I want to put this on really quick, but it has like one of those little cushiony kind of lip applicators, and it's this really pretty color. And so this is what the lip color looks like. It's really cute, and honestly I probably could have skipped on this. Like, I don't know, the packaging really drew me in, but I don't wear these like super red kind of colors too often, but I'm gonna be wearing it for the rest of this video for now. But yeah, I think the packaging kind of got me on this one, but this one was $4.91. The next thing I got was like a little sample kind of set, which I thought was really cute, and I liked that they had these in this type of sample, and it's not just like a little foil packet sample, but this is from the Saem, and this is called the Cover Perfection Tip Concealer. The one I ended up getting was number 15 Natural Beige, which I think is actually a little bit too dark for me, which is really sad. I don't know if this was like the only color they had available at the moment, or if I just picked the wrong color or what, but it's 4 of these sample concealers, and I paid $4.93 for these, but they're so cute because they're these teeny tiny bottles of concealer, which I was like, I don't know, I'm really into teeny tiny makeup, and I've kind of had this like challenge for myself that I want to like put together like the tiniest makeup bag ever, like of like touch-up makeup kind of stuff, and I kind of thought this would be perfect for it because it's just so teeny tiny. But I think the color of these might be just a little off for me. I'm gonna actually like try a little bit of this on and see what I think. But it's like a little teeny tiny doe foot applicator. It's so cute. See, I feel like it could be, I don't know, it could work. I feel like it's just slightly darker than what I go for, but maybe once I blend it in. And I don't have like a beauty sponge right in front of me like I typically would use. So yeah, I definitely think it's just a tiny bit darker for me, which is so sad because I really loved the idea of these teeny tiny ones. I might try to see if they have this same sample in like a different color or something, because I would really love to have like just these like little teeny tiny samples of concealer, and just kind of like a little touch-up makeup thing would be perfect. These next 2 things I have been wanting forever, and one time like months ago I saw them on Rose Shop, and then like a couple days later, I don't know if they were gone or just sold out or what, but I could not find them for months, and I was trying to find them, and finally I saw them pop back up on the website, and I decided, okay, I want to get these and place an order because I had quite a few things I wanted to get, and these were kind of the things that really made me want to place the order. These are from the brand The Saem, and you might have seen these products before, but in a different form. I reviewed these probably last summer, and they were called the lip syrups. I did a whole video dedicated to that, and they came out with some more, but these are different. These are lip plumpers, and it's the same packaging, but these are like little hot sauces, and it's so cute. These were $3.93 a piece, and they had 2 different ones. They had the green pepper one, which is supposed to be more of like a mild one, and then they had the red pepper one, which is supposed to be like the super hot one. So I can't wait to try these out. I'm definitely going to do a video on these, and again, I love how cute these are, but I wanted these for so long, and I finally got them. I'm also interested in seeing like how hot or spicy they are, but I can't wait to try those out, and I will definitely be doing a video on those very soon. The next thing I got was a refill product of a product that I don't own, which is again a kind of funny thing to say, but this is from the brand Neige. They call it the Eyebrow Cushion Cara. I think it's supposed to be like eyebrow mascara type thing. I don't want to open this one up yet, but it's basically just the little plastic component of the eyebrow cushion. And there was one that I got from BoxyCharm, I think maybe around like March or so, that I got that I really liked, and it was the Iconic London one, and I didn't like that one at first at all, and then I fell in love with it. It's been my favorite eyebrow product for so long, but that was like $40, and I don't even know if you can still get it or not, and if you can, I just remember like I don't know, I did not want to pay $40 for it. So I ended up seeing this, and it looks like it's the same type of like component kind of packaging thing, because you can just pop in the refill. So I ended up getting this one. It was $10.63, and it's one of those like 2-color cushions in it. So I'm gonna have to try that out and see if it fits in the compact that I already have, which if it does, that would be like amazing, because then I wouldn't have to repurchase the product for like $40 when I could just get the refill for like 10 bucks or so. So I got the color 2-tone gray. It's not really as gray as it sounds. It's a little bit more of like a brown gray, which is perfect for me, especially since I have grayish hair. So I really can't wait to try this and see if it fits in the compact or not. I'm fingers crossed hoping it does. But yeah, so I got that, and I'm not sure why, but I went a little concealer crazy this haul. For some reason, there's always something like a theme that it seems to happen whenever I buy beauty, especially K-beauty products. Like one time it was all glitter shadows, the next time it was like all foundations, and this time it just seemed to be like I got a lot of concealers this time. So this next concealer I got is from the brand G9 Skin, and it comes in this adorable little box. It looks like a little milk box, and this is called the Milk Creamy Concealer, and I thought it was so adorable, and the packaging of this is even cuter on the inside. And I bought this for $10.71, and when I open it up, the actual little concealer looks like a teeny tiny like little milk jug, kind of milk carton kind of thing, and I thought that was just so adorable. Just the packaging really got me. But this one, let me see what color I got this one in. This one is number 1 light beige, so I will have to try this out, see what I think about it, and hopefully it'll be a good color for me. It almost looks a little grayish in the tube, which sounds weird, but almost works for me really well. So I'm excited to try that one out, and of course it was so cute. And then for some reason I decided I needed another concealer, so this is the next one I got. This was from the brand Tsum, and this is the CC concealer. This one is in the color number 1 Ice Vanilla, and this one was $6.88. Again, the packaging of this is just so cute and simple. Like, it's really nothing like that cutesy, but I just love the pink color here. And did I need 2 concealers? No, but here I am with 2 concealers. So I will probably like try these 2 out and see which one's my favorite, and do review videos on these as well. And the last few things I got were all kind of similar products, which were very interesting, and I thought it was a really cool concept. So these are from the brand Beautista, and they are these little like foil packets, but you can re-close them because they have these little caps on here. I've definitely seen these packaging before and stuff. Like I've had some face masks that were like this, but I really liked it because it's so like thin and compact. Like, this is so like travel friendly, and of course you can put the cap back on, and I really love the packaging idea of this. But I ended up getting the BB cream. This one I got in the color number 1 light beige, and this one is 10 milliliters of product, and this was $1.41. So I think this is just like a little trial sample kind of thing, but I thought that this would be really good for like travel friendly kind of like touch up on the go kind of makeup, just because it's so like thin and portable and stuff. So I got that, and then they also had the concealer as well. This is the Perfect Cover Tip Concealer Light Beige, and again, same kind of thing. This actually has like a little doe foot in here too, which I thought was a really cool thing. That was also $1.41. And then I couldn't help myself, they also had 3 different like lip colors in the same kind of packaging. Again, it has like a doe foot applicator in here. These are probably all gonna look all the same color on my lips, but I decided to get all 3 of them anyway because again, they were all $1.41 a piece, and I just thought it would be cool to have all these so I could like do a review video, show you all the colors and stuff like that. So the 3 colors that I got for the lip products is peach orange, cherry red, and purple pink. So I will definitely do like a whole video on these, probably like trying all of these on, seeing what I think about them. And yeah, I don't know, I really love the packaging of this. Even if this is just like a trial sample-y kind of thing, I like the idea of packaging like this. So it's just something that really intrigues me. And one super random thing I got, which I've never even noticed before, but for some reason I saw that they had this on their website and I got it. And this is just like a little brand of like, you know, microwave tteokbokki, and I ended up just getting this. I'm like, why do they have food products on here? It was so random, but I ended up getting one of these and it was $1.12, so I'll have to try these out on one of my cheat days. So I just thought it was a really fun, cute thing to try, and I really like tteokbokki, so it's kind of like this spicy like rice cake kind of stuff. It's really good. So yeah, so random, but I ended up getting some of that. And the last 2 things I got were just these little free sample packets. I probably guess these are the same, so I'm just gonna open up one and show you real quick. And I've probably gotten all these samples before. So the first thing I got is the Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser from the Face Shop. So I got 2 of those. Then I got 2 of the CNP Laboratory Mugenier Ampoule. I've gotten this before, 2 of those as well. Then I got the Mammond Vital Vitamin Essence, and this one is the Flower Bitter Orange, so I got 2 of those. Then I got Dr. Belmure Cica Peptide. It's a Cica Peptide Ampoule, so I got 2 of those as well. And then the last 2 were the Dr. Belmure Moisturizing 10 Cream, and 2 of those as well. So I basically got like 4 of all of those things. Since I spent so much money, they definitely threw in 2 of those free sample packets, which is always just so nice. And I had actually ordered quite a few other things. I'd ordered a whole bunch of these like cotton pad types of things because I wanted to like try out a whole bunch of them, kind of like a random like geeky thing, but I really like cotton pads and stuff. So there were a whole bunch of them. I had ordered maybe like 7 different packs of cotton pads, but they ended up emailing me back saying something about the size of the box and the products. They had like underestimated the shipping price, and I would have had to pay an additional $20 to have those cotton pads shipped. So I ended up just having them refund me for the cotton pads and not pay any extra money, because I was like, I'm not gonna pay $20 extra in shipping for like $10 worth of product. So especially for cotton pads, for Christ's sake. So I ended up just canceling those and having the rest of my stuff sent. So yeah, I would have had more stuff, but oh well, I will definitely have to try some of those cotton pads another time. So that is it for this haul video. Definitely let me know if there are some products you guys are interested in seeing reviews on. Some I can definitely see myself doing reviews on would be the eyelash serum, the concealers, these little like sampley kind of makeup things. Definitely see myself making videos on that, but definitely let me know if there are things you would like to see on my channel. I'm trying to get back into the swing of like making review videos and stuff like that, so just let me know what you guys are interested in. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. Until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.